Hey there, CJ Math students, and welcome to Note 7.2 Part 1. Today we're going to be solving for perimeter circumference area problems, but when we're missing information. So I give you the perimeter area and then one piece of information, and you find me the rest. So there are 3 steps. First, as always, identify the shape and find its formula. Use the formula to plug in what you know, and then finally use your knowledge of equations to solve for the missing variable. So the key thing is have your algebra toolbox, geometry toolbox right next to you, so you can write down the formula right away. So here we have a rectangle, obviously, and we're given the perimeter, so we'll use the perimeter formula for a rectangle. So P is equal to 2L plus 2W. That's the perimeter formula of a rectangle. So now we plug in what we know. I know my perimeter, that's 46, so 46 is equal to, and I know my length, right? This is 20. So 2 times 20 plus 2W. And after I work this out, I have 46 is equal to 40 plus 2W, and now look, it's a beautiful 2-step equation, right? So to solve for my width, I add negative 40 to both sides. Sorry, that's a negative 40. This cancels out. I have 6 is equal to 2W, and then I finish by dividing by 2. So W in this case is equal to 3 miles, is my width, right? And that makes sense, right? Because if I plug this back in here, 3 is here, 20 is here. If I add all this up, 20 plus 20 is 40, and 3 plus 3 is 6. I get my perimeter of 46. So you can always plug your answer back into the sheet to make sure you get it. Go ahead and show me number 2 for a class dojo point and a correct answer when you get it right. So you'd start off again by saying perimeter is equal to 2 times the length plus 2 times the width, and then plug in what you know. All right, for number 3, be super careful. Notice that we have something a little bit different here. We're given the area of a rectangle rather than the perimeter. So we don't want to use the perimeter formula if we're given the area. We want to use the area formula for the rectangle so we can actually figure out what the necessary information is. So we have A is equal to base times height, or length times width. Now I know what my area is because it tells you. It's 1,125 is equal to, I know what my base is because it tells me, 25. And then I just need to figure out what my height is. So what is this? This is a 1-step equation where all I have to do is divide both sides by 25 to solve. So when I do that, I get H is equal to 45. And my answer is, my height is 45 feet. Right? Again, if I were you, I go ahead and pause the video right now and try and do number 4. So again, we're working with area, so we'll use our area formula of area is equal to base times height, and then you plug in, right? Back on number 3, if I were to say, all right, 45 is my height, and I would just, to check 45 times 25, hopefully you guess what you should get. If I would just do my base times height, I get exactly what my area is. Good way to check, right? So this is the end of part 1.